What's up guys, Pog here and welcome to today's unboxing video. In this video I will be going ahead and unboxing the Netgear Arlo Pro 2 wireless security camera. So this one here, you guys, is 100% wireless. What I mean by that is they do come with a rechargeable battery and they do not require any wire for the cameras to work. They are magnetically attached. There is an adapter that makes it even secure. I think one is included in this box, but we're about to find out anyways. So this one here is the 4-camera system. Again, it's completely wireless. The Arlo Pro 2 main advantage over the Arlo Pro is that this one here is 1080p HD resolution. We have wire-free or plugged in. So another option you have is you could plug this in so that it's always charging, and it does enable you more features with the actual app that we'll get into later on in another video. So this one can be used indoor and outdoor, whichever you prefer. Rechargeable batteries, as we spoke of earlier, and also two-way audio. So this allows you to talk to somebody else through your phone. So you get a notifications, there's a mailman in front of your door. It allows you to see him and also talk to them if you like, and they can kind of talk back to you, which is pretty cool. It also has a smart siren. What that is that this one here has a built-in very loud siren. I heard it before with the Arlo Pro. They do come with that as well, if you buy the kit, obviously. And it is super loud. So if somebody broke into your place, you got the notification, things like that, you can always just go ahead and turn on the alarm, and it just probably gonna freak them out. So it's a nice system if you don't have any home security example. So that being said, another important tip is that Arlo does have quite a bit of competitors, obviously, but their free cloud recording is pretty awesome. It gives you 7-day recording that allows you to, go back 7 days. If you guys know more, let me know in the comments below, and it's probably gonna help others out as well. But yeah, their plans are pretty interesting. So here's the right side of the packaging. As you guys can see, every angle covered. We have this nice Arlo that, has this square box part that we can see, which is pretty cool. With rolling 7 day of free cloud recording. We have the apps that you can get from the iOS as well from the Google Play Store. And here's some more features that it shows us about the Arlo Pro 2. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So here's all of the features that it shows. So 100% wire-free. It also shows that you could have a plugged in as well if you like. It also has the 100 decibels smart siren that I mentioned earlier. You can also connect a local backup, which will allow you to back things up. You also have the optional 24/7 recording that you can purchase. It is, I think, a monthly payment thing. 1080p recording, which is pretty cool. Weather resistant, night vision scheduling, so you can actually have this automatically record between times or when you leave your house, which is this one here, activity zone right over here. Set specific areas to monitor motion when plugged in. This one here is the activation zone. Sorry, I kind of forgot. Next, we have rechargeability here, two-way audio, and then mobile alerts, which is your notifications and stuff like that. We also have your G-forcing, which is set your cameras to arm and disarm based on your location, which I kind of confused it with the activity zone. Works with Amazon Alexa as well, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. And of course, there are some components here, as you guys can see, which I guess shows a lot of the things, but we're just gonna go ahead and open it anyways, and let's see what we have. So without further ado, we have these 2 seals over here that we need to cut. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut those seals really fast. So let's go ahead and do that. So there's the one, and here's the second one. And now we're gonna go ahead and open this part here. A few hours later, we're just gonna use part of the knife, I guess, to do this. Probably not what you need to do, but there we go. A lot easier now. Because if you pull too much from here, it's kind of gonna rip it, and I don't wanna rip the packaging. It has a very nice packaging for sure. Come on! All right, so here it is. Look at this, you guys. I mean, this is already looking pretty interesting. So we have 3 compartments. This reminds me of the Wii. If you guys remember, Wii's had first and second compartments and things like that, which was very cool. But yeah, so we have the first one, or whichever one this is. So we're just gonna lift this one first. Come on, there we go. And I'm gonna put that aside for a second. And now let's take a look at this. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have here. We have this very nice packaging, and inside there we have our 3 Arlo Pro 2s, very nicely packaged. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at those in a second. Let's put them all out. Over here we have all of the mounting hardware, which I'll show you in a second, but it should be 4. There we go. And then we have the second optional ways you can mount the Arlo. So if you want it more secure, having it hardwired, which is always charging, you could use this as well. And then here we have our internet cable, which is pretty awesome. Now let's take one of these Arlos and take a look at it. There we go. I should have probably used a knife, would have been a lot easier. Here it is. We have this nice Arlo here. We've got this cover for the camera lens. I would rather leave this on and remove it whenever the camera is 100% set to its location. We do have this part here that you use to charge your Arlo Pros. It is a micro USB, as you guys can tell, and it is also where you connect these magnetic mounts. So these are pretty strong. Let me just put that back. And then if you have this one, you would screw this on this part over here. And this one does not want to be shut back in. Come on, do not pop out. But yeah, so we have this right now. So if we put this here, you guys can see how nicely this allows us to angle it any direction. So if this was the wall straight, it would be looking down and stuff like that. So it's a very nice adjustable stand, which we will go into about it in a further review. So inside here is where we will set the battery, and we're gonna close this now, very easy. And please stay back in there. Like this one is, I'm not blaming it, I'm probably like accidentally pulling it like that or something, but yeah. So this is all we have in that first package. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other. So here is the box once again. Let's go ahead and lift this up. I'm guessing this one has the base itself. Let's pull it open. Put the box away. And here we have the base, which has the built-in Siren. As you guys can see, we have 2 USB ports over here for backing up your storage locally, as well internet port, on and off, power in, and the reset over there. And this is where the 100 decibel speaker is for the Siren. We have 2 stickers to warn others that there is a recording in progress. Let's put the manuals away. Inside here we have our mounting hardware. So we have 4 screws, and we also have these, I think they're called anchors or something, I'm not too sure. But we also have our 4 batteries. They're very nice batteries, as you guys can see. And we also have our power adapter to go ahead and power the unit base itself. And inside here we also have our charger, which allows us to recharge our cameras, which is a mini USB, as you guys can see. And now let's go ahead and lift this up, which is where the display Arlo is. And let's take a look at it. We might have some more stuff in here. I guess I could open this. Oh. And here we have the charger to recharge your camera. So you can just plug it in and it allows you to recharge your cameras. Oh, there you go. All right, so it's not probably that hard, but here we have the other Arlo camera. They're quite easy, I guess, to open it. Just gotta take these up. Interesting packaging for sure. There's also this side. There we go. I really like the packaging. I'm very impressed. And here is the other Arlo. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video of the Arlo Pro 2 security system. If you did, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel if you're new. That being said, check out the other channels in the description. Links are below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.